Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Narayana. I'm an author, freelance journalist, and a homeopathist. Now, I want to describe something about my experience, which was unique one, extraordinary one. I think nobody can cure it so easily. Such an experience I am now talking about. That is the disease continuous bleeding from uterus. About the continuous bleeding from the uterus and how I cured it. Okay. My wife was a syndicate bank employee. Okay. She had some leave fare concession. So at that time we went to Shimoga to her elder sister's house. We went to not Shimoga, we went to Belgaum to her elder sister's house. Then my book was very popular. The book name was How to Cure Chronic Diseases, like that. Okay. That was very fastly being sold. So reading that book, one advocate contacted me from Dharwad, a district center of Karnataka. He called me and told the problem of his daughter. She was just 18-year-old and she had the problem of continuous bleeding from uterus. Continuous bleeding from uterus. Okay? Her hemoglobin was very low. Her platelet count was very low. Then I was in Belgaum. So I received such a call from the patient's father. Her father was an advocate in Dharwad. He called me and described the problem. His only daughter had the problem of continuous bleeding from uterus. So I too had no idea about such disease because it is very rarely available. It is very rarely available. So, but I had known the formula of curing that disease, but it was the first case in my lifetime. It was the first case. I didn't see such a case ever before. Okay, so there was a homeo pharmacy in Belgaum, a district place in Karnataka. I went to a homeo pharmacy. I purchased Seakil, Colophyllum, like medicines. At 200 potency. And I informed him the date of my journey to Shimoga from Belgaum. The patient was in Dharwad, so we had to pass through Dharwad. So we got down in the bus stop of Dharwad. He met us and he took us to his home by his own car. By his car, he took us to his own home. We reached there. I saw the patient. She was just 18-year-old studying in PUC. She had such problem. She was very beautiful also. I felt very sorry. They have already spent more than 1 lakh rupees Of course, the treatment expenditure is more for such complicated, such rigid, such chronic disease. So, I went to their home, saw the patient, and I advised them within 3-4 days the bleeding will be stopped. Continuous bleeding from uterus will be stopped. I promised them. I gave them 3 medicine, homeopathic medicine at 200 potency, and told them to take the medicine every hour, daily 10-12 times. And second day they had to change the medicine, means they had to take other medicine. Everything I described them, explained them. Actually, and later we came to our hometown, Shimoga. In 2-3 days, I received a phone call from that advocate, father of that patient, saying that continuous bleeding from uterus is completely stopped. It was a proud news. I can't forget it in my whole life. It was one of my great achievements. But here, after knowing, allopathic doctor came to know that some homeopathist had given treatment. So, the continuous bleeding from uterus was stopped. Okay, but the platelet count was very, very low. Hemoglobin level was very, very low. That allopathy doctor suggested that the patient's father to stop my treatment because they have to give blood for the increase of hemoglobin and they have to give blood to increase of platelet. But one thing I want to frankly say, that I had no idea that her platelet was very low. So, anyway, it might have been increased, but they did not contact me afterwards. Okay, but they told me that after 3 days of my treatment, they told me that the problem solved. Continuous bleeding from uterus was stopped. Okay, I felt happy. Later, I thought it was completely cured and she is quite okay. I thought like that, but it was not so. After 1 year, I remembered about that patient and contacted them. Then there was no mobile, only landline. Okay, I contacted them. That patient's father, advocate, told me that his daughter died. I shocked her. I felt sorry. I cannot forget this event in my whole life because I have done some great job in stopping a continuous bleeding of uterus. It was stopped, but due to low hemoglobin and due to low platelet count, my treatment was stopped, or I feel that allopathic doctor might have been ashamed by my treatment, whatever may be. I am a simple most person. I don't have any head weight. So, in 1 year she died and I felt very sorry. I would have, now I used to say that she had some viral infection. We know well dengue reduces the platelet count, we know well. And medical science doesn't know which other viruses can decrease the platelet level. or medical science doesn't know. They know dengue is reducing platelet and which other viruses are decreasing platelet level. That is not known to medical science. Whatever may be, to increase the platelet, actually Crotalus should have been given, but they didn't say anything about it. And to increase hemoglobin, ferromet and ferrumphos, silica, natriumur should have been given, but they didn't. They had no touch with me afterwards. Afterwards, they had no touch with me, so I could not help them. So one life was lost. So anyway, I am proud of my achievement. I stopped the continuous bleeding from uterus, but I should have given some other medicine for the rise of platelet count. That they didn't say to me, so I didn't give any medicine. Okay. So saying this much, I will put an end to my speech. Please subscribe my channel and encourage me. Please subscribe my channel and encourage me, and please like my video. You have to please press the like button and encourage me, so you will get latest information of my videos. So saying this much, I will put an end to my speech. My phone number is +91 934 22 55 080. Okay. So saying this much, I will put an end to this short, sweet and very useful video. Wish you all. I want to congratulate you, and I want to put an end to my speech. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and encourage me. So saying